Students, so today we are going to study about the equation of a circle, right? Okay, so actually I did this video for AS level students specially, right? Okay, so you have to put the ball in red pen and write it down in black pen like this: equation of a circle. Equation of a circle. Okay, so equation, when you consider about the equation of a circle, we can do like here. So if I am drawing the coordinate plane, Cartesian plane like this, so I am taking like here, right? So yeah, I can draw the Cartesian plane like this way. So this is x-axis and this is y-axis. This is the origin and we can mark like this way, right? And also you are drawing the circle like this. Okay, so we can do like here. So this one they have given like the radius, right? So the point P I am taking in here, that is x comma y, right? The coordinates of point P is x comma y. Yes, so according to that, if the origin, or otherwise if the center of the circle is coincide with the origin of the Cartesian plane, so we can write it down the equation of the circle like this way, Lamai. That means what? So that is coming like x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared, right? So now you are thinking, how did you get this, right? Okay, don't worry, I will prove that. Okay, so when you consider about this one, so you can draw some small right angle triangle here, right? So I can enlarge like this way, look at properly. So this right angle triangle you can take for here like this. I can enlarge the figure like this, right? And this one is 90 degrees and this is r, and the vertical height is y, and the horizontal distance is x, right? So if I'm taking like here, yeah, this is the right angle triangle llama, so therefore you can apply the Pythagoras relation, right? Yeah, after you applying the Pythagoras relation, you can write it down like this: x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared. R means the radius. Yes, so it is coming like this way, Lama, right? That is the way you have to prove that. That is the equation of a circle when the center is coincide with the origin of the Cartesian plane. Okay, yeah, that's fine. So we can go for the other situation now. So that means okay, so look at properly. So if I am taking like here, that means if I am taking the coordinate plane like y and x, and this is 0, right? So if I am taking the circle line like this, yeah, if I am taking the circle like this, so in here the coordinates we can mark like this way. That means yeah, this is 2 and this is 3. If I'm taking like this way, so I in here also I'm considering the radius r as r, right? This point I'm taking as p. The coordinates of point p you can take it as x comma y, right? So in here also we can do in same thing. That means if you have to find out the vertical distance, so you have to consider about the y-axis, and if you have to find out the horizontal distance, you have to consider about the x-axis. So this one is x value, so x minus 2 is coming as the horizontal distance, right? So we can enlarge the figure like this so you can understand it easily, right? This small triangle, this small right angle triangle, I can enlarge like this way. This is right angle, yeah, this is the right angle, and this horizontal distance is coming like x minus 2, and the vertical distance is coming like y minus 3, right? Yeah, and this one is radius. So you can apply the Pythagoras relation in here also. So it is coming like x minus 2, right? X minus 2 to the power of 2 plus y minus 3 to the power of 2 is equal to r, is r squared, right? So that is the equation if the circle is locating in here, right? Okay, So I will teach you in this way. When you apply in the coordinates of the, that means if the coordinates of the origin is coming like 2 comma 3, when you are applying inside of the brackets of x and y, right, you have to change those signs. That means if it is plus 2, you have to put inside of the bracket as minus 2, x minus 2 to the power 2. And if the value is plus 3, you can apply inside of the bracket as plus minus 3. So it is coming x minus 2 to the power of 2 plus y minus 3 to the power of 2 is equal to, radius is coming in same way, that is r to the power 2. Okay, so I hope you understood all the things properly. So we can go for the other situation also like this, right? Okay, so if the circle is locating in here, that means, yeah, so if the circle is locating in here, so this vertical line I am taking as y-axis, this is origin, and this is x-axis, and the circle is locating in here. Yeah, okay, so the center we can take like yeah, this is 2 actually. I am taking this one as 4, right? Yeah, the coordinates of the center, it is coming like 2 comma 4, so we can write it down like this. Then after you can apply some, yeah, we can take some point on the circumference as p, it is coming like x comma y, right? In same way we can do, and this is the radius. Okay, then we can apply like this way. Okay, so we can do like here. So when you consider about this, so you can write it down like here. So the coordinates, yeah, the coordinates of center is coming like 2 comma 4. Right, now I will tell you without using the Pythagoras relation how to get this equation of this circle directly. Right, look at properly. So x is coming in same way, and keep in mind that this is not plus 4, this is minus 4, right? So that is the negative side of y-axis now, so therefore this is minus 4, right? So we can write it down like here, x plus 2 is coming minus 2, so x minus 2 to the power of 2 plus y, this is minus 4. When you are applying inside of the bracket, it will become plus 4. That means y plus 4 to the power of 2 is equal to r to the power of 2. So that is the equation of the circle in, if the circle is locating in here. Okay, so I think you understood about the equation of a circle properly. So if the center is coincide with the origin of the Cartesian plane, it is coming like x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared, right? And if the circle is locating in here, that is we can read the coordinates of the center. According to that, you can build up the equation of the circle like this. In here also, we can, firstly you have to find out the coordinates of the center. According to that, you can apply with the equation like this. Okay, yes, okay, so today we are going to discuss about those things only, Lamai. So I'm going to finish by here, then see you with the next video, right? Okay, Lamai, take care, bye, have a nice day.